We're at the end of our sampler and we have one here. So now because we're going to do a half double crochet, we want to put 2 chains on the end to make sure it's a 2 chain link. Okay, now to do a half double, you do 1 over, you're going to put it in the stitch, first stitch right here, pull it through all. Okay, yarn over, put it through this stitch, yarn over again, pull through all. So it's like the single crochet, except that you put in an extra loop first, then you insert it in, yarn through, yarn, then you have 3 loops on your hook and you pull the yarn through all 3. Okay, yarn over again, and then through all 3 loops. Now I'm going to get really close here for you. So we have 2 stitches left. We have this big one here, and then this last little one right there. Okay, so for this last stitch, you're going to yarn over, put it in here, just like you always do. And then there is one more stitch, and it's this one right here. Okay, pull through. Now I want you to chain 2, go back over to the other side, and we're going to work our way back. Again, here's our first stitch. We're going to put it in the second stitch right here. Okay, your pattern will tell you there. Okay, so I'm going to let you finish your second row of half double crochet. If you want, of course, do more till you get practiced with it. Okay, so that's our half double crochet.